Go 15. This is the elevator in the Koppers building in Pittsburgh. Here we go. Oh boy. Wow. Hi. I'm gonna get thrown out of here. I'm only taking one ride though. We'll get the high-rise bank next. Here at 15. Come on. It does that probably. Alright, that's it. Here at 31. This is the elevator in the Koppers Tower. That's the high-rise elevator in the Koppers Tower in Pittsburgh, PA. Here we go. It's gonna be a rocket. Oh god, this is fast. We're getting off at 30. I'm not gonna take a floor because there's a security desk on the first floor. I want to get thrown out of here. 29, 30, and then there's 31. And then that will be it. 30. Take a look. See? We'll get the service elevator next. This is a very beautiful building. Okay, let's go down. There, Freddy. Okay, that's it. Gonna be free. Here we come to a very weird Schindler hydraulic elevator at the Koppers Tower. Look at this. We'll go up to B when we're done because that is a... Yeah, we're allowed on that floor. This is a public elevator, by the way. Patrick Ness was gonna film, but I got it for him. So big thanks, I guess. Wow, it's down there. B. Hey. This is a nice elevator, though. Got a cab view. I think we're in an authorized area. We better be careful when the door opens. Sorry about that. Well, we're in a restricted area. Okay, get out. That's the sub-basement. There's the service elevator, but we can't get it. It's manually operated too, by the way. Yeah, the service elevators were turned off today because it's Veterans Day. Oh my gosh, that is an epic motor. Alright, when the door opens, that will be it, and then we'll go to the Koppers Golf Tower next. Alright? Alright, thanks guys. When the door opens, that's it. That is an epic motor. That's it.